What's good, people? I'm back again with another video, and I'm back with a trainer or a brand. Let's say a brand that's been on my channel hundreds of times. Not hundreds of times, but more than 10 times. They are trainers people love to see, a brand people love to see, and I understand that. Get it? They done a lot of amazing things for sneakers. They're doing a lot of amazing things in general. There will always be the underdog. Um, you know, Nike would always be leading. Jordan brand will always be leading. But you have to give respect to Puma. And these trainers are slightly different. So I've been reviewing a lot of RSX models. This is a RXZ model. So it says RSZ. I keep getting it confused. In black and red. So adults UK 10, US 11, centimeters 29. Let's just get into this one, people. A lot of tissue, by the way. So let's just fling that across. Black laces in case you didn't want the ones that are in. So they're the grey ones. Yes. So the RSZ. Let's just go from bottom to top. So it's got the black and white sole. I'm knocking the tripod over. This is a bit different here because the other model is just completely flat. This maybe has a bit of a grip. That's not... Yeah. Has a bit of a grip so you don't slip and slide too much. Blacked midsole with a bit of red. I actually quite like that. It's got like, little... Don't know what to call it. That looks like a face of like a cartoon. That's cool. But yeah. So midsole, another red on that side. Then we've got the grey, which matches the laces and the lace loops. Then we've got a Puma logo, but it's just like made out of stripes or whatever you want to call it, lines. Red suede material. The back has got blue neoprene or neoprene, whatever you want to call it, which actually matches the sock liner, the inliner, the liner, whatever. It's all neoprene, so that's a bit different. Heel tab, pull tab, whatever you want to call it. They've changed it from the other models of the RSX. The X model, this is the Z model, so it's kind of different, kind of the same, it's whatever. And then we've got like a mesh leather mesh toe box, little bits of yellow leather. And one thing I didn't really like, but I'll have to deal with it, Suede Toe Box. I'm not really the biggest fan of Suede Toe Boxes, but it is what it is. I like this trainer. Very nice trainer. Very underrated trainer. I think they look better than the previous model. The Z model. No, the X model. Yeah, the X model. These are 10 times better than those. It looks like they've made the changes. The colorway is really nice. So as you do know, I do have different colorways of these models. Or if you don't know, you can check my channel and see the different models I have. So I love the colorway because it's different colors. I have another pair of funky ones of the other model. I'm not even going to try to say it anymore. Same on this side. Got the suede grey heel mesh yellow made out of lines Puma logo. Very nice trainers. I do like them. I think they look amazing on foot. This is like going to be like one of my go-to tracksuit trainers. I think they look very nice with tracksuits. and you know, you can even wear them with jeans, black jeans. I've seen some people wear. It will just be a black tracksuit. These will do the talking because they're not loud, but they're not quiet either. A really, really nice colorway though. And I love the comfort of these. So these are like running trainers, but a lot of people do, as you know, wear runners. So it's got nice cushioned, you know, underfoot, and it's even got cushioned like an instep. It's quite cushioned, and then you know, oops, running system. Just got a bunch of numbers on it. Yeah, so they do have a nice, you know, insole which is quite soft, padded. It's like a not really gel, but kind of a gel-like insole, which you know gives you all-day comfort. I won't even bother putting it in right now. And then the neoprene lining is quite soft as well, and then the tongue is nice and padded, very padded. It's breathable material, so your feet won't stink when they sweat, so the whole thing's breathable. Obviously mesh is breathable. Just one thing that annoys me a lot is this suede toe box. If it was like this leather or even this leather, I think the black would look better. Yeah, the black would look better. So just a black leather toe box, that would have been 10 times better. They could have made this bit suede, just because I think, you know, when toe box colors run quickly, so the color fades a lot, that's a big headache, because then the whole trainer looks quite old, quite used, quite messed up, which I don't really like. So I just prefer leather. I like a lot of leather bits on trainers for that reason, to be honest, because leather lasts much longer than the suede and does and everything else, the nubuck and all that. I'm not really a fan of that. So laces wise, they do come with black laces, so literally the same, just in case, you know, you wanted to change them. I don't know if they'll look better like that. I really like the grey laces in there. I normally never used spare laces when I'm given them with trainers. Whatever laces they come in, that's the laces I'll keep them in. And the only reason I would change the laces, the spare, if these really mess up, if they, you know, the ends come off. But I don't really see that happening due to, you know, the size of my collection and how many trainers, sneakers, whatever you want to call them, I actually own. I'm very grateful for that. So yeah, when you have a lot of trainers in the rotation, I don't see laces messing up really easily. But maybe I will, you know, change the laces just to see how they look. But right now, I'm happy with these. I think they look way better than, you know, plain black wood. The grey contrast is real nice. The different colors is not too much and it's not too less. It's just right. So Puma did an amazing job on these. They changed the previous model, made some good changes. I just want to see how the tongue would be when I wear them, because I know the other model, it looks like the tongue is massive. And maybe I'll just, you know, lace them to the top, which I really don't like doing, so the tongue isn't massive looking. But yeah, give me your thoughts in the comments if you like these or not. I have to rate them out of 10 now. I will rate these a 8 out of 10 because I really do like them. Not many changes I would actually make to these, just obviously colorways. I could design 100 different colorways myself. Just the one change, the one thing I didn't like is that suede toe box. And even if they did a all weather version, they could have made not the toe box, mesh toe box. They could have made leather for all weather version, you know, winterized, and then that wrap around on the toe, that could be leather as well. If they did all that, that would be amazing. I would really like it. But you know, I don't mind it. I will be keeping these. I don't mind these at all. But leave a comment if you like them, if you've got them, if you might buy them. I'll try to find a few different links of where to buy these from, because you know sometimes they do sell out from different places. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, And as always, there will be a on foot video to follow this. And yeah, take care, people.